Hey guys, I want to talk about this 2-inch lift kit for the 2011 to 19 GM 2500 trucks. So let's take a look in the box. First thing you notice when you get this kit is these new torsion bar leveling keys. These are a solid ductile cast iron CNC machined to provide 2 inches of lift. And also it comes with your 2-inch rear lift blocks with your extended U-bolts for tail high stance and to provide a 2-inch lift all the way around. Now your hardware packs come with your U-bolt nuts. And also it comes with your shock extensions. You can also improve your ride quality with this kit with the optional shock upgrade. And this kit also allows for 33-inch tire clearance. These are designed to work with your factory suspension while retaining your tail high stance and maintaining your ride quality to provide for bigger tires. And also it comes with your factory protection plus warranty. If you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com. And if you want to stay up to date on any of our new projects or product coming out, go to our social media platforms, and I'll see you later.